Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best equatorial mounts for astrophotography that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Sky-Watcher S20530 Star Adventurer Latitude EQ base. If you're diving into astrophotography for the first time or looking for a budget-friendly option, this product is definitely worth considering. It's priced at just $90, making it an excellent entry-level choice. The compact design features V-style dovetail plates and micro-adjustment knobs for fine control during polar alignment. While it doesn't offer motorized tracking, the manual focus and reflex finder scope are sufficient for basic wide-field astrophotography. Build quality is solid, with a lightweight aluminum construction that's portable yet sturdy enough for stable imaging. This accessory is designed to pair seamlessly with other Sky-Watcher Star Adventurer series mounts, providing flexibility for beginners who may want to upgrade later. However, bear in mind that it's not a standalone mount, it's more of an accessory base. The simplicity of this mount base makes it ideal for hobbyists focusing on lunar or planetary imaging without complex setups. Pros include affordability, lightweight portability, and ease of use. On the downside, it lacks advanced features like motorized tracking or GoTo capabilities. Overall, it's a great budget pick for casual astrophotographers who are just starting out. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Sky-Watcher HEQ5. This mount is perfect for astrophotographers seeking fully computerized GoTo system with serious capabilities. Featuring a 42,000 object database via the SynScan hand controller, this mount ensures endless nights of exploration for both beginners and advanced users. The heavy-duty roller bearings on both axes provide smooth and precise tracking, while the all-metal construction supports a payload capacity of up to 30 pounds, making it suitable for most telescopes. Performance-wise, the HEQ5 delivers excellent tracking accuracy and polar alignment, thanks to its illuminated, built-in polar finder scope. Its sturdy tripod, with 1.75-inch rolled steel legs, enhances stability during long-exposure imaging. However, at 30 pounds, the mount itself is quite hefty, meaning portability may be a challenge for some users. Additionally, its price point may vary depending on availability, and it's not the cheapest option on the market. The HEQ5 is ideal for intermediate to advanced astrophotographers who want precise tracking, a robust design, and access to a massive celestial database. Pros include the advanced GoTo functionality, premium build quality, and high payload capacity. Cons include its weight and the potentially variable pricing. Overall, it's a solid investment for dedicated Skywatchers. At rank number 3, we have the Sky-Watcher Star Adventurer GTI mount kit. This portable and lightweight mount is packed with features designed for astrophotography enthusiasts, including GoTo functionality for effortless navigation of celestial objects. The kit comes with a counterweight bar, tripod, and pier extension, allowing for versatile setups to suit different imaging needs. The built-in polar scope with illuminator simplifies polar alignment, ensuring precision during long exposures. The GTI's design is sleek and compact, making it a great choice for astrophotographers who need portability without compromising on features. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily control the mount via your smartphone, adding to its convenience. At 26 pounds, it's heavier than some portable mounts, but the included tripod ensures stability during use. While the price is not listed, it's safe to assume it falls within the mid to premium range based on its advanced features. This mount is perfect for astrophotographers who want portability combined with GoTo tracking capabilities. Pros include its feature-rich design, Wi-Fi connectivity, and modular kit. The primary con is its weight, which may limit portability for some users. Overall, it's an excellent option for those looking for a portable yet advanced astrophotography tool. At rank number 2, the Explore Scientific IXOS 102 PMC8 tracker system is a feature-packed equatorial mount that caters to serious astrophotographers. Its cutting-edge PMC-8 system utilizes 8 independent CPUs to handle different functions, ensuring superior responsiveness and tracking accuracy. The clutched dual-axis worm gears, combined with quiet stepper motor belt drives, make this mount a joy to use for astrophotography. The build quality is impressive, with a sturdy design and intuitive Explore Stars app that allows seamless control via Apple, Android, or Windows devices. With a polar alignment sight hull and precise altitude control, setup is quick and efficient. At 20 pounds, it's reasonably portable, but its robust design supports a range of astrophotography setups. While the price is not listed, its advanced features suggest it's a mid-range option. This mount is ideal for astrophotographers who prioritize precision tracking and app-based control. Pros include its innovative processor system, smooth operation, and compatibility with multiple devices. Cons include potential complexity for beginners and its mid-range pricing. Overall, a fantastic choice for tech-savvy astrophotographers. Taking the #1 spot is the Sky-Watcher Star Adventurer 2i Pro Pack, a premium, motorized equatorial mount designed for astrophotographers who demand top-notch performance. Priced at $585, this mount is a portable powerhouse for wide-field astrophotography, time-lapse videos, and even telescopic imaging. Its modular design integrates seamlessly with existing photographic tripods, making it versatile and adaptable. The upgraded Star Adventurer 2i includes Wi-Fi functionality, allowing users to control the mount through Sky-Watcher's free SAM console app. The deluxe equatorial base ensures precise polar alignment for long exposure imaging, while the lightweight 7-pound frame makes it easy to transport. With its motorized tracking capabilities, capturing stunning details of the Milky Way or eclipses has never been easier. Ideal for advanced astrophotographers, this mount offers portability, precision, and a host of features to enhance your imaging experience. Pros include its motorized tracking, app-based control, and modular design. The primary con is its higher price point, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the Sky-Watcher Star Adventurer 2i Pro Pack is the ultimate choice for those looking for premium quality and performance in a portable equatorial mount. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.